You are not a profitable trader, and it's not because you're dumb, it's because you just don't know what you're looking at when you're looking at candlestick charts like this. My name is Nicholas. I'm the founder and lead developer of SimpleAlgo. I'm also a full-time day trader and software engineer, and I built a tool called Chart Analysis that is now used by over 50,000 traders. I'm going to show you guys how it works. It's very, very simple. Screenshot any chart that you want to trade, or just copy any chart image, paste it into the chart analysis tool. If you don't have a picture of a chart, you can even enter a ticker symbol and it'll do the same thing. It's going to give you a buy or a sell signal. You're going to get an actionable trade plan with an entry level, stop loss, and take profit. It's going to help you understand the analysis behind it so that you can learn from every single chart you analyze as well, because we're all about learning here. You'll get your price invalidation levels, and for my intermediate to advanced traders, it'll show you the market structure, momentum, and power. It'll show you which patterns were detected on the chart, a multi-time frame analysis, and liquidity zones. We have 18 other AI-powered tools that are built to help you gain an edge in the markets, including TradingView indicators. But the best part is that we offer a 7-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. That means if you buy it and within 7 days, for any reason at all, you don't even have to explain yourself, you don't feel like sticking around, I will give you your money back. No bullshit, no questions asked. We have a support chat widget on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. If you have any questions at all, we are available 24/7. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to use code WELCOME30 at checkout for an additional 30% off your first payment.